Hey guys, Brandon Schmitty back with another food taste test. Today we're going to be tasting chocolate covered strawberries. Yeah, that's right. Your boy may or may not have a Valentine, and my partner may or may not have bought me some chocolate covered strawberries. So, funny story actually. So, last year I may or may not have had a Valentine, and she, total BITCH, she didn't buy me anything. I said, bam, done with you. My mom ended up buying me something, and she bought me chocolate covered strawberries. But they were from like the ice cream parlor, so they weren't as fresh as the fresh market where my partner got me these. And I liked them last year, so my partner's like, "What do you want for Valentine's Day?" I'm like, "I'll have some chocolate covered strawberries," and she was like, okay, that sounds cool. And here we are with some chocolate covered strawberries from the fresh market. That's my story, and here we go. Mm. 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 Oh my. Mm. Wow, those were really tasty. The strawberry was so fresh. It tastes like they picked them yesterday, which they might have. I mean, there's tons of farms here in Boston. So delicious, a strawberry. Criticisms, when you bite into it, it's cold because I had it in my refrigerator, and I had to like bite hard. I have braces. It's hard to really bite hard. You guys know who have braces. You know the struggle. Some of the chocolate like came off, so like the first bite there was too much chocolate, not enough strawberry, and by the end it was too much strawberry, not enough chocolate. Both the flavors were magnificently great and awesome, but they weren't together. That'd be my criticism of these chocolate covered strawberries from Fresh Market. But all in all, they tasted great, and I'm sure if you ate them like a different temperature, maybe they would be a little bit better. I'm sorry the lighting isn't great either. It's just the room isn't great lighting. You see right there, there's really snowy out, so the snow piled up pretty much. But thank you guys for watching this episode of Food Tasted by Brandon Schmitty. If you enjoyed, thanks, and remember, peace out. These are a buy. Chocolate covered strawberries from Fresh Market are a buy. Peace out.